Hi guys, I'm Shazad and welcome on our YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss that how can you install the PHP 7 version, which is the older version of the PHP family, by using the Laragon. You have to download the PHP version from the official website, and then you can extract the PHP version by going to the Laragon folders. So how exactly you can do that? Let's get started. Okay, so now here, as you can see, this is the official website of the windows.php.net. Download. So PHP hypertext preprocessed language. You know very well. You can download this 8.2 version here, 8.1 version where I'm currently using 8.1. So let's suppose if you want to use the 7.5 version, because mostly WordPress themes use the 7.4 version. So that's why I'm gonna click on this one. I'm gonna download the 7.4 version. Make sure 7.4 version is not recommended. I recommend that you have to use the 8.1 version. Either say 8.0 version or 8.1 version, and you know very well that 8.2 is the latest version of the PHP family. Similarly, we keep all the files in PHP folder and just change the PHP version. It's about to download. Boom, you are ready to go. You have downloaded the version. So now I'm saying open this in a folder. So this is the PHP cut, and where you want to keep this file here. Make sure if you double click, so these are the roots files available in your root directory. So that's why WinRAR and extract with the 40. So this is the 7.4 version. So since this is the 7.4 version, we have just used the 8.0 version. So now what you just need to go to the file, stop the server first of all, and then go to the Apache, and here you have to select your 7 version. And now once you change the 7 version, wait a few seconds. If you have any kind of error, you have to debug the error and find a solution. So since I'm not getting the error, so that's why just click on this one, start the all services. So now once again refresh the page. Oh, okay, composer detected the issues. Why? Because I'm using the Laravel setup, so it's required 8.0.2 version, and since this is the PHP 4 versions, so that's why it's giving us the error. So let's have a look. So I'm going to use the index. So here, as you can see, this is the index file, and now I'm going to open this index file here. Here, as you can see, this is the index file, and if I use the PHP, as you can see, this is the PHP. Now I'm saying uh, index.php. So as you can see, this is the index.php, and the PHP version is 7.4.33 version. Okay, fine. Now I'm saying that just execute this one and die the script below. I'm saying die here. Fine. So once again, refresh the page. As you can see, this is the PHP 7.4.33 version. So in this way, you can use the multiple PHP versions with a single setup. Okay, guys. So in this way, you can install the older PHP version, which is the PHP 7, by using the Laragon. So I hope, guys, you are enjoying our videos. If you think we are doing good, thumbs up. Feel free to share our courses with your friends, especially on social networks. And please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and pressing the bell icon so you never miss any update. So thank you for watching.